So I'm gonna clean my turtles enclosure, and as you can see, one is chilling and the other is laying chilling on top. The water's dirty. Okay, yep, I'm talking about you. And I'm talking about you. You can barely see his eyes. Look at his feet. He's just chilling. Turtles, I have 4 in here, but they get very dirty. If you have 1 turtle, you're fine. But when you start getting 3 or more turtles, man, you gotta have a good filtration system. I have 3 of them in here, but it still gets dirty and the water evaporates, and you can see all the yuck back there. So I'm about to scrape everything and make this enclosure look pretty.